How to block blue light on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down until you find the Display and Brightness option and tap on it. On this page, scroll down and tap on Night Shift to access its settings. Night Shift automatically shifts your display's colors to the warmer end of the spectrum. This can be easier on your eyes, especially at night. Enable the toggle for manually enable until tomorrow. You can also set a schedule under the Schedule section to turn on automatically, such as from sunset to sunrise. Now, swipe down from the top right of the screen to open the control center on your phone. Then, long press the brightness slider and tap the Night Shift button to turn it off. Following these steps, you can block blue light on an iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.